Hello, this is Cragsman Logan, and I'm going to show you the basics for operating a computer. To turn a computer on, you just hit whatever the power button is for your computer. Hit enter, left mouse click. You can use the mouse to select things. If you hit left click once, it'll just highlight it like that. If you hit it twice, it'll open it. And right click normally gives you a bunch of options for it. If you want to select multiple things, you can just click and then hold, and this little box will show up. And if you put it under things, you can highlight multiple things to move or delete or whatever. So to make and save a file under whatever folder you want, I'm just gonna use this as an example. I just hit save. It'll ask me where do I want to save it.